Well, it is that time of year to think about health insurance, and Nevada Health Link is an online marketplace for affordable health insurance plans you might want to know about. It's operated by a state agency, the Silver State Health Insurance Exchange.
That's right. Well, joining us now with some important information, if you're not covered by your employer, is Ryan Hyde, the Executive Director of Nevada Health Link, and Alberto Ochoa, CEO and President of Smart Buy Insurance Incorporated. Hi, you two. How are you?
Hi, good morning. Thanks for having us.
Good morning. Thank
Absolutely.
you.
Now, Ryan, let's start off a little bit with you. We're kind of curious about Nevada Health Link. Tell us a little bit about it.
Sure. So Nevada Health Link is a state insurance agency marketplace that offers, through 7 different carriers, private health insurance for those consumers that do not qualify for Medicaid, Medicare, or do not have employer-sponsored health insurance.
Boy, and I tell you, if you're in a position, maybe you work, very part-time, or you're unemployed at the moment, and you don't have that health insurance coverage from an employer, it's a serious position to be in.
It is, for sure, for sure. And our target audience are those types of consumers that are maybe independent contractors. Maybe you're a gig worker, maybe someone that works for Uber or Lyft or DoorDash, maybe an independent realtor. Maybe an independent service worker. So that's really our target audience.
Right. And Alberto, I'm glad you're here right now because it's open enrollment. Now is the time to consider this. So people should be looking into this right now.
That's right. That's right. So open enrollment is from November 1st to January 15th. So you have a little bit over a month and less than a month and a half actually to get coverage right now. But people can't get coverage afterwards if they lose coverage from work, or maybe they're on Medicaid and they lose it. That's called a life qualifying event. But for now, this is open enrollment. This is a time for those people that are looking for health insurance to go on the Nevada Health Link and look for proper coverage for them and their families.
Yeah, it's great for the people in the state of Nevada. I'm glad you mentioned having one of those life events where you lose insurance.
Yeah.
What happens, we place so much emphasis on the enrollment date, in January. What happens if you lose your insurance mid-year?
Yeah, so I mean, it's real simple. I mean, you just have, if it's a life qualifying event, like you're losing coverage from work, you're moving into the state, or perhaps you're losing Medicaid, you have what is called an open enrollment, not an open enrollment, but a life qualifying event, which opens you up to have a special election period of 60 days for you to get coverage.
60-day window.
60-day window.
Yes, and there's some people out there who might not know exactly how to do this. So do you offer like some free assistance to help people with this process?
We do. So at NevadaHealthLink.com, go on, find a free local assistance. We have navigators and brokers like Alberto that offer free assistance, no cost, to help you shop and find a plan.
Excellent. And let's talk about the affordability of those plans.
So last year, 9 out of 10 consumers found assistance with their financial, their premiums every month. And over half of our consumers shop plans that were under $100 per month for their premiums.
Wow.
So it's very affordable.
That is really good.
That's
Yes.
incredible.
And we are the only marketplace where you can get that federal financial help.
That's incredible.
Right.
Well, there's a lot of people out there, they might be on the fence. They're a little unsure if they should get this plan. Maybe they haven't for quite some time. What would you say to people who might be a little on the fence about this?
Look, health insurance isn't, sometimes it's one of those topics at the end of the budget discussion, but at the end of the day, like $200,000 is a typical, heart stem. You go for a broken arm, it's $50,000. So these are things that could put people in financial hardship. Shopping around, looking for your options where you could get a plan that's under $100. I mean, I've seen them as low as sometimes $0, right? Depending on the plan that they get. So, speak to somebody, speak to a professional, get the advice that you need, because you never know when you're going to need the coverage, right? People don't typically talk about health insurance until they need it, right? And sometimes by then it's a little too late. So I would urge people to go on to Nevada Health Link or look for a professional, either an assistant or a broker, to help them navigate those turbulent waters of healthcare.
Yeah, because there's a lot of options and people get just really intimidated because they have just a long list of questions. So
Yes.
What I love about what you guys did is you just laid out the process. Ryan, you
So
go on the
easy.
website
Yeah.
and then we're able to connect with people like Alberto who knows so much, and it sounds like you could really even help personalize the right
Yes.
plan for somebody, and that's probably what people are looking for. So thank you so much, guys.
No, you
This
bet.
is
Thank
great,
you.
and it's
Thank
super
you.
important.
Yeah, thank you.
NevadaHealthLink.com, folks. Their information is right there on your screen. The phone number, the website, NevadaHealthLink.com.
And you can also check them out on social media on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.